Most people get this wrong. They think Peloton is just for cycling, but the surprising truth is that Peloton Strength Plus offers a full range of guided workouts that can transform your home fitness routine. Peloton Strength Plus is a digital platform that focuses on resistance training, bodyweight exercises, and functional fitness. The app offers hundreds of classes ranging from 10 minutes to over an hour, covering strength, core, cardio, and stretching. Workouts are led by professional instructors who provide clear demonstrations and motivational cues, which helps maintain proper form and stay engaged. One standout feature is the variety and customization. You can filter classes by difficulty, equipment, duration, and body focus, making it easy to create a workout plan tailored to your goals. For example, if you are short on time, you can pick a 15-minute core session, or if you are training for strength, select a 45-minute full-body routine with dumbbells. The surprising truth is the interactive and motivational element. Peloton allows you to track your progress, join challenges, and even see performance metrics over time. While it doesn't replace in-person coaching entirely, it provides structure and accountability that many home workouts lack. Peloton Strength Plus requires a subscription, around $12, $15 per month, but the value comes from the quality of classes, instructional guidance, and community features. For those with limited space or equipment, the app also offers bodyweight-only sessions that are highly effective. In conclusion, Peloton Strength Plus is perfect for anyone looking to expand beyond traditional cardio, build strength, and stay motivated at home. Its variety, expert guidance, and tracking tools make it one of the most comprehensive digital workout platforms available. Subscribe for more honest reviews of fitness apps and home workout solutions to help you reach your goals efficiently.